Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I have here a padlock and a keys. So I'm gonna make a color combination for keys and a padlock. Okay, so I'm gonna use these three padlocks for these keys. Sometimes it's hard to recognize which one is the keys for this padlocks. It almost the same. This one has the only one piece of keys, but these two are confusing because their keys are almost the same. So I'm gonna make a color combination using this nail polish, blue and gold, blue for the gold blue, and I'm gonna use now this blue first for the keys. Only the upper side of the keys, no need to. So I'm gonna paint only this upper side, not included the bottom, just to recognize the blue keys for the blue padlock. And so that even if I don't wear a eyeglass, I still can recognize which one is the keys for my blue padlock. See this, and also this one. There are three keys for the blue padlock, and I'm gonna color this. So it's already done, it's already dry, and now I'm gonna color the other keys like this color of the padlock, golden color. So I'm gonna start now. So this has rust already, it's already old. So I'm gonna remove this one first so that it will be easy for me to paint. And later on I will. So this one is the only key for this. So I'm gonna paint it here carefully. This one we need only this upper side. Just a little bit, just a thin coating, not so thick. So let it dry for a while. I will let it dry here. I hope it will not fall. Okay, so guys, I'm already done coloring the gold color for the key of this padlock. Now I'm going to paint this nail polish here because it's rusty. Just look at this, it's rusty, and I'm gonna cover the rusty area using this nail polish. So I'm gonna cover this all. This is so old already, this padlock, but it's still working. That's why I don't throw away. Instead, I'm gonna repaint this one to make it new one again. Don't worry guys, I got a lot of nail polish and I'm not wasting my nail polish. Sometimes it's nail polish is so useful for so many things. If you don't have paint available in your house, so you can use nail polish for those small items. So this is it guys, and I will just color here a little bit. And also here at the bottom. So I'm almost done, and I will let this one dry. So I will let this one dry. So I cannot put down, otherwise this bottom will be stick on though. So I'll just put like this and let it. So guys, it's done coloring those keys combination with padlocks. So this one is for this color, okay? This one is for here, and this blue is here. These are three color, okay? And the other one, this one piece is for this one. So now I will put this one differently, okay? Okay. See, this one is for this key, this padlock. This one, and this one still sticky. Yeah, that's why I'll just put this one here, okay? Because there's no other hold, keychain for the key. So I'll put it here. It's so difficult. I hurt my fingers, and OMG, it's so hard to put back. I am so clumsy with this. So it's already done, and this is it, guys. So this one is very easy to recognize because it's the only one for this. So no need to color this. They're the same color. This here and this, okay, here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you got an idea from me on how to make a color combination for your keys and your padlocks, okay, so that it will be easy to recognize, uh, especially those with for vision. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope to see you next time on my next vlog. Bye for now. God bless.